Welcome to Globetrotter. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey across Saudi Arabia, a land of deserts, mountains, and hidden treasures. Here are the top 5 best places you must visit in Saudi Arabia. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Saudi Arabia. Riyadh, the modern capital. The heart of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. From the breathtaking Kingdom Tower to the stunning edge of the world, Riyadh perfectly blends modern city life with ancient history. Don't miss the Masmak Fortress, one of the most important landmarks in Saudi heritage. AlUla, the ancient wonder. Next, we head to the magical desert of AlUla, home to Hegra, or Madain Saleh, the first UNESCO World Heritage Site in Saudi Arabia. Here you'll find massive rock formations, ancient tombs, and the iconic Elephant Rock, a photographer's dream. Jeddah, the Red Sea jewel. Now let's visit Jeddah, the gateway to Mecca and Medina. Walk along the beautiful Jeddah Corniche, explore Al-Balad, the old town full of history, and witness the world's tallest fountain, King Fahd's Fountain. It's also one of the best spots for diving and seafood lovers. Abha. High up in the Asir Mountains lies Abha, the city of clouds. Cool weather, green valleys, and colorful houses make it a perfect escape from the desert heat. Take a cable car ride over the mountains or explore Habala village for a truly unique experience. Taif, the city of roses. And finally, we have Taif, famous for its rose gardens and refreshing mountain air. Visit Shubra Palace, explore Al Rudaf Park, and smell the beauty of Taif roses. It's known as the summer capital of Saudi Arabia for a reason.